Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss functions in C++. So here is a basic syntax for functions. First we will provide a return type, whether the function is of void type or non-void type. If the function is of void type, then we don't have to return anything. Otherwise we will have to return something with respect to the return type. And then followed by the function name. A function may have 0 or more arguments. So now let's look into the problem. In this problem, we will be given four integers a, b, c, and d, and we have to return the greatest of the four integers. For example, here in the sample input, we are given four integers 3, 4, 6, and 5, and then we return the greatest among these four integers, that is 6. Uh, so in this code, in the function maximum of 4, we are provided four arguments a, b, c, and d, and we have to return the maximum value among these four integers. We declared an integer x, and we used max function for finding the maximum between two numbers. Here we find it the maximum between a and b, and we stored it in x. Similarly between x and c, and finally between x and d. So the maximum value stored in x will be returned. Uh, so let's try to run the code. So now we will submit our code. Thank you for watching.